welcome to the first episode of So You Think You Can Garden. My name is Emma, I'm a librarian with the Sonoma County Library System, and I am not a gardener. My knowledge of gardening is that it's a thing people do. I'm a renter, a millennial, and I have seasonal allergies, so me and the outdoors don't really get along. I have tried houseplants over the years, and I can't even keep them alive. I've even killed air plants. I don't even think they're real plants. I had no interest in gardening whatsoever, but that was in the before times. So maybe you're like me, and you've taken up a new hobby with absolutely no knowledge whatsoever, and you'd like to see how one amateur has tackled the problem and learn, perhaps, what not to do. Just remember, here at So You Think You Can Garden, we don't have green thumbs, but we do have green hair. So the shelter-in-place order in March means I needed a new hobby, preferably something physical. But I have a problem where I need my hobbies to be useful. Knitting, baking, sewing. I'm apparently not allowed to just enjoy stuff. Thanks, brain. I was partially inspired by books. As a kid, I read things like The Secret Garden, or Miss Rumphius.
And she's a librarian, y'all.
But these days, there are kids' books with a lot less colonialism in their gardening takes. And you can find some of these awesome librarian recommended reads in the description of this video below. In terms of grown-up books, my biggest inspiration probably came from Into the Forest by Jean Hegland.
Local.
You can also watch the film on Canopy and Hoopla, available with your library card. See description. That's right. I was going to build a garden and live off the land. I also had to go this route because the roommate said I couldn't get a chicken. For now. There's, of course, a cool history of the idea of the Victory Garden, or war gardens, planted during World War I and World War II. They were people's private gardens, and they were on public land, and they produced millions of tons of food. I do not need to produce tons of food. I probably don't even need to produce food. It would just be nice. What I need is my own space from the roommates. Two-legged and four. I love them all, but no. There's been a lot of together time. Now, we are very lucky in that we have a yard, and that I have roommates and landlords who said I could do whatever I wanted in the patchy yard that was not being used. As you will see, I very much took them at their word. Oh, hold up. Before I get into this too deep, do I really want to start something that's going to be really, expensive? Does it have to be? I started by getting some seeds from the library's seed bank. Now, this might not be an option for everyone because not every branch has a seed bank. The Seed Bank in Petaluma and Seed Savers Exchange are online options for getting heirloom seeds. You could go to local stores, like Freedman's. You might be able to get seeds from people you know who have planted things and now just have seeds. I also got a book on gardening from the library. We have so many books. But what about things like soil? Was I going to have to buy a bunch of soil? Put that dirt all over the ground? But then I had an epiphany. The ground is made of dirt. I said this out loud in front of my coworkers. They still have to work with me. I was set. I was ready to become a gardener. I mean, what more could I possibly need? Tune in next time where we learn about that one library book that taught me pretty much everything I know and how trash piles are your friend. Like and subscribe to this channel for more awesome content and comment below to tell us what you think. Till next time. outside on garbage day and hear the trucks go away.